Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Edifier WH700NB wireless noise canceling headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. Number one is troubleshooting. If the headphones will not connect to Bluetooth or will not sync to your device, or they keep disconnecting, or you're having any other connection issues where they're not working, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you just want to clear everything out and start anew and have them forget all of the devices, you can just go ahead and do this. All you need to do is find the power button and the reset button, and you're going to press and hold them simultaneously for 5 seconds. Now what will happen is after those 5 seconds, the LED green light will blink like 6 times, which will indicate that all of the previous pairing data has been erased. At which point these headphones will automatically enter into a pairing mode and you can set them up as a new set of headphones.